に地下ネットこれかみんなの欲の友
Oh, hi. Did you come in? My name is Dr. Richard Gatling, inventor of this, the Gatling gun. This is a great weapon designed to kill many people very quickly. Behold, the many barrels, each one containing bullets. The bullets fire at a very fast rate. As you crank the handle, it can pump out over 200 bullets a minute. Now, back in the day, all we had was this. A rifle. It works. Solid scope. Just kidding. But, it didn't really work very well for many people. All you had, maybe 2 shots if you're lucky. And you can only really fire like once every couple minutes because it takes so long to reload. But with the Gatling gun, that has changed. You can fire, as I said before, 200 bullets a minute, which allows you to kill all the soldiers you need to kill. I love the Gatling gun. This thing kills hundreds and hundreds of people you don't even know. Like, I have nightmares sometimes, man. Like, crap. Like, really? Like, hundreds, thousands even. Like, the entire South is dead. Dead. You don't even... The Gatling gun and its new improvements can be seen in tanks, in cars, jeeps, even planes. And, most importantly, on the porches of angry rednecks down in Mississippi. You can buy one today for only $99.99.